The Walfos Universal Lid for 9 inches. 10 inches and 10.5, cookware is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It fits many of your pots and pans. You do not need to search for the right lid anymore. This lid makes cooking easier and keeps your food warm. It is a simple solution for many kitchen needs. This Walfos Universal Lid for 9 inches. 10 inches is made with strong tempered glass, so you can easily see your food as it cooks. The edge has a silicone rim that resists heat. This rim helps the lid fit snugly on different sizes. It works for 9-inch, 10-inch, and 10.5-inch pots, pans, and skillets. The lid is also BPA-free, and it is safe to wash in the dishwasher. This makes cleanup after breakfast or dinner very easy. Customers who have used the Walfos Universal Lid for 9 inches, 10 inches often talk about how useful it is. They like that one lid can cover different cookware. This saves space in their kitchen. And because it's easy to clean, it saves time too. It might not be the best for every single pot you own, but it's a great helper for many. It's a simple and effective addition to any kitchen kitche. Pros. Fits 9, 10, 10.5-inch pans, universal fit for cookware, tempered glass material, heat-resistant silicone rim. BPA-free construction, dishwasher safe, black color, easy to clean, space-saving design. Allows viewing of food, durable material, good for different pots. Cons. Silicone rim can absorb odors, steam vent may not be ideal, handle screw issues reported, can be bulky to store, glass may be thinner, not suitable for all handle types, potential for condensation, some find it too large. Features. Universal fit 9, 10, 10.5-inch, cookware, fits pots, fits pans, fits skillets, tempered glass, silicone rim, heat resistant, BPA-free. The Walfos Universal Lid is designed to fit 9, 10, and 10.5-inch pots, pans, and skillets. It is made with strong tempered glass so you can see your food while it cooks. The lid has a black rim made of silicone that can handle heat. This silicone is also BPA-free, which means it's safe to use with food. The lid is easy to clean because you can put it in the dishwasher. It's a universal fit, so you can use just one lid for many of your cooking items. This Walfos Universal Lid is designed to fit 9, 10, and 10.5-inch pots, pans, and skillets. It is made of tempered glass, so you can see your food while it cooks. The edge of the lid has a silicone rim that can handle heat and is safe because it's BPA-free. It's easy to clean in the dishwasher and helps save space by fitting different cookware. Some people have found that the steam vent might not work perfectly, and there have been a few reports of problems with the handle screw. Also, it might be a bit big to store. The glass could be thin, and it might not work with all types of handles. Sometimes, water drops can form on the lid, and some people think it's too large for their needs.